One CPC project, One Chip Personal Computer, Part 1, by doctorand engineer economist Robert-Bela. One CPC proposal, summary of Part 1, personal introduction. One CPC project, beginning with two questions. One CPC project, SOC misuse. One CPC project, generic description. One CPC, opportunities. One CPC, for the globe and masses of people. One CPC, origins of this idea. Personal introduction. Hi dear viewer, my name is Robert-Bela. I am an electronic engineer and my hobby is the computer domain, reading about it and knowing about the state-of-the-art realizations in this domain. I was born in 2nd June 1988 in Oradea, Romania, East Europe. I graduated University of Oradea, Universitatea din Oradea in year 2011, bachelor, on two domains, Applied Electronics, Electronica Aplicată, and Software and Telecommunications Networks, rețele și software de telecomunicații. After the two bachelors, I graduated the master's in 2013, Advanced Electronic System domain, Sisteme Electronice Avansate. I have also a bachelor degree in marketing, graduated in year 2014, also at University of Oradea, Faculty of Economic Sciences. I am now a PhD, doctoral student or researcher in the third year, last year. My PhD research domain is about BCIs, brain-computer interfaces. I wanted all the times to mix both electronics and marketing in one common, unified domain, in order to have much more useful results for people. As you can see, in every slide is a black part down that can contain or not text. If this zone is empty, it is specifically left for later use. It will be a place for future subtitles in other languages. One CPC project, beginning with two questions. The subject I want to present you needs first to clarify two questions. First, what do you understand when you hear computer system? And two, what do you understand when you read for the first time SoC, or System on a Chip? Your answer probably will refer to something acting as a whole computer, including computer case, power source, motherboard, processor, video card, RAM memory, hard drive, and it has some ports, USB, sound, local area network, serial port, etc., keyboard and monitor also. I observed that the SoC, System on Chip, word and concept are hijacked or misused. If the end user sees System on Chip, he or she thinks that everything is on the chip, all the types of processing units, microprocessor, graphic controller, I/O controllers, etc., and the RAM memory, the volatile memory, and the non-volatile memory, for example, flash memory. One CPC project, generic description. The One CPC project I will present you further is meant to realize a real SoC, including in its design all of the components of a computer, processor and volatile memory and non-volatile memory in one chip, on one piece of silica. One CPC is conceived to have reduced size and reduced complexity. The high-end, the cutting-edge products will be used and produced by their owners as until now. This project is just a demo of their technical achievements by using their cut-out, meaning simplified version of their older or new, already existing products. One CPC, opportunities. This project is meant to be the cheapest computer or computer equivalent in the world, and to become a common good by having in it all the important parts of today's standard computer, all of them just on one piece of silica. It is meant to be a real SoC with the possibility and opportunity of realizing SOMs, systems on module, by the other chip makers. This is a good opportunity for everyone in the chip designing and producing industry, because the proposed socket of the 1CPC chip can be used for a long time from now on by anyone, and the used chip can be upgraded or changed when needed. One goal of 1CPC concept is to have a generic usable socket for really low-level raw price systems, and to be able to host the state-of-the-art circuits or chips too. 1CPC for the globe and masses of people. 1CPC is conceived to bring to the masses of people around the globe the cheapest modular computer in the world. It is meant to be an upgrade, a bottom-up version of Raspberry Pi and Arduino. They are using already existing hardware, they are top-down systems. In case of 1CPC, the chip would be realized from bottom up, from the raw silica building everything. The 1CPC socket is meant to be upgradable in the future by not limiting any future upgrades. 1CPC is conceived to be built with older existing hardware and architectures or simplified new ones. The only limitation would be the physical space, the size of the socket or chip, nothing more. It can make high benefits for all the parts involved in this project, all the end users, the future 1CPC non-profit organization, and for other companies who are working in this field and not only in this field. 1CPC, origins of this idea, the base of the idea, this cheap USB hub. If one USB port would be modified in VGA port, and other USB port would be a local area network connector, and a stereo audio in and audio out would be on the PCB2, then a whole computer equivalent object, a whole computer system can be created and could be fit in that size. End of part 1. Thank you for watching.